Hello friends, welcome to GreyPot. Today we're going to make this simple coconut laddu but colorful with natural colors. Yes, you heard it right. We're going to make this green purple with natural ingredient. You need some desiccated coconut, condensed milk, ghee and some red cabbage juice. To start with, heat a pan, add some ghee. Add 1 cup of desiccated coconut which is easily available in all local stores. Roast it for a couple of minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, add condensed milk and combine it really well. Add some cardamom powder, which will give a really good taste for these ladoos. Mix it. Now take the half portion of the mixture and keep it aside for the white ladoos. And to the other half, add some red cabbage juice. Now here I have taken 1 cup of cabbage and boiled it in 1 cup of water and reduced it to half a cup. And just drain it and take the juice. And when you add this juice into the white coconut mixture, you can see how beautifully they have turned into purple. Now once it cools down, take a small portion and make a ball and then roll it in plain white desiccated coconut. See how beautiful this purple and white combination looks. Now let's make ladoos with the white coconut mixture. Take a small portion, make a ball and roll it in the purple color desiccated coconut, where I've added 2-3 drops of the cabbage juice into the plain white desiccated coconut and you got the color combination again. Now take some cabbage juice, add some baking soda in it, and when you mix it you can see it had turned its color into beautiful greenish blue. Now add 2-3 drops of this juice into the white plain desiccated coconut and allow it to dry for 24 hours. Then it will turn into this beautiful green color. So roll these white coconut ladoos in the green desiccated coconut and it will look simply awesome. All these coconut ladoos taste really delicious and it doesn't have any overpowering taste of the cabbage juice. So do try this recipe and try different color combinations with the natural ingredient which are healthy and easily available at our home. Thanks for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and leave me a comment if you like the recipe. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot. Watch more videos from our channel and do follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+.